Hello, it's my honor to welcome you to session number 3 of the Driving Modes series. In this episode, we will learn what EV mode is, how EV mode works, under what conditions you can turn on EV mode, and the difference between normal EV and EV mode. So, let's discuss all of this. EV mode stands for electric vehicle mode. First, let me explain how the car manages the high-voltage battery and engine in normal EV. In normal EV, meaning without activating EV mode, when you are driving normally with a light foot touch on the accelerator pedal, the car alternates between using the engine and the battery. For example, if you drive 100 kilometers, the car may use 60% engine power and 40% battery power. The ECU manages this automatically. The key factor here is that the accelerator pedal should not be pressed too much. Now let me explain the difference and changes that occur when you activate EV mode. When EV mode is activated, your car switches completely to battery power. However, there are some conditions to activate EV mode. The first condition is that EV mode will only activate if the battery is 80% or more charged. Secondly, your car should be warmed up. EV mode will remain active at an optimum speed. It is not meant for full acceleration on the highway. It only works with a low foot touch. If you press the accelerator pedal too much, EV mode will deactivate. While driving with low acceleration in EV mode, the car will stay on EV mode until the battery is low. In normal EV, even at idle, the engine may start, but in EV mode, you can operate completely on the battery without using engine power and increase fuel or gas efficiency. So this was a short video on EV mode. If you haven't watched the first 2 sessions of the Driving Modes series yet, I recommend watching them as well. In those sessions, I've already provided a technical explanation of Econ mode and Eco mode. Coming up in session 4 of the Driving Modes series, we'll break down Sport mode from a technical standpoint, including how the system manages efficiency behind the scenes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are uploaded.